discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can transform website content into beautiful dynamic presentations in just seconds with AI. Let's learn how. Getting started. From your Gamma dashboard, click Create with AI. You'll see 3 ways to start creating. Paste in text, convert plain text into a presentation. Generate with AI, start from a simple prompt. Import file or URL, turn any file or website into a presentation. In this tutorial, we'll use the Import a file or URL option. Just copy the URL of the site you want to convert and paste it into the input field. Gamma will scan the site, extract the content, and structure it automatically. Drafting your presentation. In the prompt editor, you can choose Freeform to let AI distribute the content across the deck automatically, or card by card to assign specific text to each slide. Additionally, add, remove, or rearrange cards. Define your audience, tone, language, and of course, upload your own images, pull from the web, or generate illustrations with AI. Once your structure looks good, click Continue. Selecting a theme. Make your presentations look stellar with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes that make your content shine. If you want to brand your document, you can create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you select a theme, click Generate and watch the website content transform into a polished, visually engaging presentation. Editing with AI. Gamma takes care of the heavy lifting, but you're always in control. You can modify text, add images, add videos, or interactive elements. Want to speed things up? Use the AI assistant to rewrite, reformat, or refine your content instantly. Just describe what you want, and Gamma does the rest. Think it, make it. Truly that simple. Sharing and exporting. When your presentation is ready, you have multiple sharing options. Present it directly from Gamma with interactive navigation and presenter notes. Share via link, no account required to view. Export as PDF for easy distribution. PowerPoint or Google Slides for further editing, PNG for social media, or publish directly to LinkedIn. You can even select specific cards to export, giving you full control over what you share. And that's it. With Gamma, turning website content into a polished professional presentation takes just minutes. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. And don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.